Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? My name is Victor Isibor. You're welcome to the Victor Isibor podcast. Now, recently, a law was enacted in Nigeria. It is called the Investment and Securities Act 2025. Now, it talks a lot about crypto as per the regulation, and it also talks about a clampdown on Ponzi schemes promoters. Now,
the days of Ponzi, insider trading, and market manipulations are over. Today, if you are caught in a Ponzi market arrangement, you have a risk of going to jail for 10 years and also pay a fine of over 20 million naira to 40 million naira, and all the money that you took from people will also be recovered from you. Digital assets as well as cryptocurrency has now been recognized as a form of security in Nigeria, meaning that people can now trade with digital assets. People can now do the cryptocurrency and it will be properly regulated.
Now, this is law. Who better to interpret the law for us? That is why I brought today our guest, a senior advocate of Nigeria, Senior Barrister Ezo Iziga. You're welcome to the show. Oh, thank you very much for having me. Okay, sir, please, I want you to enlighten us about the implications of the recently enacted Investment and Securities Act of 2025.
Okay, thank you, Victor Isibor, for having me. Something big just happened in Nigeria's financial space. And whether you're a crypto trader, a fintech founder, or just someone trying to secure the bag, like you people Gen Z call it, it affects you. It's called the Investment and Securities Act 2025. That is the ISA 2025 for short. And it is the most important investment law Nigeria has passed in nearly 20 years. So I'll break it down, okay, into the top 3 things you absolutely need to know about this law. Number 1, crypto is officially recognized in Nigeria. Let's start with the big headline. For the very first time ever, Nigeria legally recognizes cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Yeah, that Bitcoin, Ethereum, or token you have been trading on your phone, it is now officially part of Nigeria's investment system as a digital asset classified under securities. Now, here is what that means. It means that crypto is no longer in legal limbo or a state of coma. The government now has a defined role for it. Okay? Now, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will regulate crypto offerings, exchanges, and platforms. All right? It also means that crypto businesses must register with the SEC and follow clear rules. And finally, you, the investor, will ideally have more protection against scams and shady platforms. However, I must point out, this doesn't mean that the CBN has embraced crypto with open arms, but it does mean regulators are no longer ignoring it. The government is finally trying to play referee in the world of digital assets. Okay? Still, not every crypto platform is safe. If they are not licensed or registered, you are still taking a risk. Now, the second thing that the ISA 2025 also addresses is Ponzi scheme operators. Ponzi scheme operators is equal to 20 years in prison plus 20 million naira fine. You know those investment clubs where they promise to double your money in 5 days, and all you need to do is bring 2 people, yeah? The law is coming for them, and it's coming really hard. The ISA 2025 directly addresses Ponzi and pyramid schemes and hits them with heavy consequences. Number 1, up to 10 years in prison Number 2, up to 20 million naira in fines. Number 3, possible confiscation of assets and permanent bans from the capital market. Now, the question is, what counts as a Ponzi scheme? Number 1, any so-called investment platform that relies on referrals instead of real value creation. Number 2, platforms promising unrealistically high and consistent returns. Number 3, anyone taking your money with zero transparency about how it's invested. Now, moral of all this talk, if someone says just invest 50k and you get 200k in a week, ask them this question: have you read the new law? Now, the new law also addresses fintechs, investment apps, and robo-advisors. They all must level up. Gone are the days of apps promising you safe and easy investing without rules. The ISA 2025 has now brought fintechs under regulatory watch. Under the new law, investment platforms, saving apps, robo-advisors, and digital asset managers must register with the SEC. Number 2, they must clearly disclose risks, explain where your money is going, and protect your data and funds. Then finally, they are expected to behave like real financial institutions and not all those tech bro with vibes. No. So what all this mean for you is, number 1, if you're investing, stick with platforms that are registered or working towards registration. Don't just follow influencer hype. Okay, number 2, if you are in fintech or crypto, register, comply, educate your users. The law now expects you to step up. Then number 3, if you're tempted by investment groups with insane returns, run fast. They are probably illegal now, and you don't want to be the last person holding the bag. Because apart from the fact that they are mathematically not sustainable, even if they are being sustained, the authorities will shut them down and you will lose your money. Finally, if you are confused, follow this YouTube channel. Because I know that Victor Isibor educates you about how to identify Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes. So thank you very much. That's pretty much a summary and a breakdown of the ISA 2025.
Wow. Thank you very much, Senior Advocate of the Federation. I really appreciate the breakdown. Now, my people, now you know. It has always been dangerous to participate in Ponzi schemes and pyramid schemes. It now got more dangerous because a lot of you say, oh, a Ponzi can last long. Now it can no longer last long because apart from the mathematics that destroys the algorithm, that formula of bring one, bring two, that referrals help to sustain. Now that sustenance will not last long anymore because the mathematics is going to destroy it. Before that time, even if you are referring people into it, government is watching. Government will clamp down on Ponzi schemes as hard as ever because now the SEC now have legal backing to do so. All right. So keep safe with your money. Be watchful. Do not fall for invest 50 naira today, get 200,000 tomorrow. Do not fall for so-called ROI websites promising you fixed and consistent returns. Do not fall for projects that don't have any trading, any service, any product. All they do is matrix. Bring one, bring two. Bitcoin automation, matrix, smart contract matrix, no service, no product. Some of them will even have service and product, but they are not incorporated into the compensation plan. Don't fall for it. Oh, a man who has a car but never uses it, that man does not have a car. Of what use is your product or services if it is not incorporated into the compensation plan? Those things are just a mere distraction for them to look like they are legit. Look at the compensation plan. What are you people selling? What are you trading? Money is exchanging hands when value or products exchange hands only. Money is not meant to be circulated by robbing Peter and giving to Paul. A word is enough for the wise. Nigeria will no longer be a dumping ground of Ponzi schemes, both perpetrated by outsiders and even our indigenous Yahoo boys. Enough is enough. Until I see you on the next edition of Victor Isibor podcast, it is bye for now.